Are you just making all that noise to get my attention? Really? Is that so? Are you telling everyone in Australia that it's minus 25 out there at the moment? That's right, minus 25. Well, it's really only about minus 12 or 13, but when the wind chill is minus 25. It's cold. The doors of the car were frozen. But we still went to the grocery store, didn't we? Yeah. All right. Well, that's Miss Alice finding her voice. She certainly has. Bye.